Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Coin Investor. In this video, I'll be taking a look at the Stellar Lumens, particularly Stellar Lumens USDT chart. What you see right now in front of you, this is the Stellar Lumens chart fetched from the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. And right now, we are looking at the weekly time frame. For simplicity purposes, I will be using as little indicators as possible. Right, so this is the weekly chart. So every single bar here represents 1 week worth of price action. And the looks of it, as I like to trade on longer time intervals, it appears that the Stellar Lumens, just like many other altcoins and Bitcoin, it has bottomed. So we can see that we have formed double bottom formation here. So this is generally whenever we have double bottom on the bars, it's usually the mark of bottom, at least on the dollar time frame. So I'll be taking a look at the BTC time frame later on in this video, so make sure to be there at the end of this video. Alright, so the Stellar Lumens bottomed at somewhere around 7 cents. I earlier had thought that maybe we will visit these lucrative levels like 4 cents and 5 cents, but we did not, and Stellar Lumens bottomed at around 7 cents, and since then we have touched 11 cents, and right now we are hovering at 10.50. You can see that here. So I like to trade on larger time intervals because it gives a more accurate idea of where the coin is going on. Alright, so I have deployed my usual Fibonacci tool to give me various support and resistance level. This was done in the past, so I made this like somewhere during the December, and you can clearly see that it's still respecting those time intervals, and you can see that we are facing a stiff resistance at somewhere around 12 cents. By the way, if we are able to cross this 12 cents, the next resistance level is, there's not much resistance between 12 cents and 15 cents, 15 and 16 cents. So another thing to keep in mind is I'm using Ichimoku Cloud's indicator, and this gives me various support and resistance levels. So white line here, you see white and red line, both of these act as support and resistance levels. So if the price is above it, so it acts as support. If the price is below it, it acts as resistance. Alright, so you can see that here this white line has been acting as resistance. Once we were able to close above this white line, it started acting as support. Yeah, so right now this white line is acting as support, and so far so good. And usually the outlines of these clouds, they also act as resistance, but once the coin is able to get inside it and test this level of support again, it starts acting as, guess what, support. So if we are able to close above 11 cents in the coming weeks or days, it will start acting as support, and then from there it won't take much time to reach 16 cents. And then you can accumulate a little bit, and then we can break out again. Even on the monthly chart, you can see that the MACD is about to curl. So this is another really good indicator that we are about to enter the Stellar Lumens bull market. Alright, so on the monthly chart, you can see that we had very stiff resistance at 10 cents, and we are able to close above it. This is very good news for the Stellar Lumens supporters and Stellar Lumens coins as a whole. Long term wise, this gives us an idea that we will have very stiff resistance at 43 cents. And by the way, this level 43 cents has been tested many times in the past. So we tested the level like 5-6 times here back in 2021. So this will be very hard to break, but once you can see that once we broke, it took us no time to reach the 75-80 cents level. So I'm very bullish on Stellar Lumens, and my short-term price target is 16 cents, 12 cents followed by 16 cents followed by 17 cents, and then at 27 cents, 33 cents, and then 43 cents. Now what is more interesting to me is the XLM BTC pair, and which by the way was super slaughtered. Let me fetch up the Binance one, because that has more volume and that would be more accurate. Alright, so this one, Stellar Lumens, got absolutely brutalized on this time frame. I mean, we have been visiting lows which were not seen back in 2019. So in 2019 we did not see, I didn't see Stellar Lumens touching, I didn't see Stellar Lumens going below 358 sats, but we even touched 309 sats. That was kind of heartbreaking to see, but it was a great opportunity. Even now, right now we are at 351, which is still less than the 2021 low. For one Bitcoin you can get so many Stellar Lumens right now, so potentially it is a great opportunity to multiply our Bitcoins. For example, if you buy right now and you're still somewhere in still at the previous highs, which was at 1600 sats, you will be like 4xing your BTC stack. By the way, this is now, I was in the monthly time frame, now I'm back to weekly. And here you can see that we have shift resistance at 354 sats. After that we have some resistance here at 440 sats. Once we are able to close above it, we will be facing resistance at 530 sats and all that. After that, not much resistance, honestly. This is the 3D time frame. Alright, so every single bar represents 3 days worth of price action here, as you can see as well. Similar scenario, maybe some resistance at 400 after this on the 3D chart. One really nice thing to see is that after a long time, I see the Stellar Lumens, I can see the moving averages of the Ichimoku, this white and red line curling up. So white line going above this red line is usually the bottoming of the BTC pair, so that's very nice. You can see that whenever the white line went above the red line, we had nice bull market. So this is nice. I mean, it's probably the bottom for the Stellar Lumens. So yeah, that's all about it. Hope you like this video and stay subscribed for more videos like these. Bye bye.